So in this example, we're going to use the congruency statement to solve for x, y, and z. Notice at the beginning, it gives us our congruency statement. Triangle UVW is congruent to triangle TSR. Find the values of x, y, and z. We know that that congruency statement tells us a lot. It tells us our corresponding parts. Let's start with U. U corresponds with T. So I can put 1 mark on U and 1 mark on T. Those angles are corresponding. Those angles are going to be congruent. Move to the second letter. V corresponds with S. So I'm going to put 2 marks on V and 2 marks on S. And then lastly, W corresponds with R. So 3 marks on W and 3 marks on R. So we've matched our corresponding angles, and using those corresponding angle markings, we can see which sides correspond. I can look at this side, UV, and even up here in the congruency statement, U and V are the first 2 letters, so that side is going to correspond with the first 2 letters of the second statement, which is TS. So I'm going to find UV and put 1 mark, and TS and put 1 mark. And we can start there. Those 2 sides are congruent because they're corresponding parts. So I could set 12x minus 7 equal to TS, which is 53. And I could solve for x. There's my first equation. Add 7 on both sides. 12x equals 60. And divide by 12. X would equal 5. And there we go. That's one variable. Okay. Let's find another side of or another pair of corresponding sides. Let's look at VW. If you look at VW in your congruency statement, it's the second 2 letters. So it would correspond with the second 2 letters of the second triangle. So VW, I'll put 2 marks, corresponds with SR. I'll put 2 marks there. So you can see that these 2 sides are corresponding, therefore they are congruent. So I can set 5y minus 33 equal to the corresponding side, which is 57, and solve for y. So 5y equals 90. Divide by 5. And the answer is 18. All right, so now that we've used 2 pairs of corresponding sides, we know that that third pair would be corresponding as well. So UW, I'll put 3 marks, goes with TR, I'll put 3 marks. So that's my third equation, 3z plus 14 is equal to 50. Subtract 14. 3z equals 36, and divide by 3. Z equals 12. Try the next example on your own.